They say food is just fuel. Calories, measurements, instructions. But in the South, food is memory. Food is love. Food is how we say things we never learned how to speak out loud. And today, I'm not just making banana pudding. I'm remembering my Aunt Charlene. Because this wasn't a recipe she taught me from a cookbook. This was a lesson she passed down standing barefoot in her kitchen, with a cigarette on the back porch and a pot gently steaming on the stove. This is Southern-style banana pudding, the way it's supposed to be made. Aunt Charlene believed in a few things. She believed butter fixed most problems. She believed silence was sometimes the best advice. And she believed banana pudding should never come from a box. Every Sunday, family would show up unannounced. Kids running through the house, adults talking too loud in the living room. And there she'd be, quietly cooking. No rush, no stress, because good things take time. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make banana pudding the way Aunt Charlene taught me. Not fast, not fancy, but right. And if you stick around, I promise this won't just make your kitchen smell good. It'll remind you of someone you miss, too. Aunt Charlene always started with the pudding. Not instant, not shortcuts. Here's what you need. 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 4 cups whole milk, 4 large egg yolks, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. In a saucepan, whisk together the sugar, flour, and salt. Add the milk slowly, low heat, patience, because rushing this part ruins everything. When it thickens and coats the back of a spoon, you temper in the egg yolks. Not all at once, slowly, just like life teaches you. If you're enjoying this so far, take a second to like this video. Subscribe, because recipes fade, stories don't. Once the pudding thickens, remove it from the heat. Add 2 tablespoons butter, 2 teaspoons vanilla. Stir until smooth. Now, the layering. Aunt Charlene always said, pudding ain't about perfection, it's about balance. You'll need 1 box vanilla wafers, 4 to 5 ripe bananas, sliced. Layer it like this. Wafers on the bottom, bananas next. Warm pudding poured gently over the top. Then repeat. Wafers, bananas, pudding. End with pudding, always. This is where most people stop. Aunt Charlene never did. She made meringue from scratch. You'll need 4 egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1/2 cup sugar. Beat the egg whites until soft peaks form. Add sugar slowly. When it's glossy, when it holds its shape, that's when it's ready. Spread it over the pudding. Seal the edges, because Aunt Charlene said, if you don't seal it, life finds a way to mess it up. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, just until golden. And then, you wait, because Aunt Charlene never served it hot. She let it rest, settle, become what it was meant to be. Funny thing about that, the best things in life, they need time too. Today, I didn't just make banana pudding. I stood in her kitchen again. I heard her laugh. I remembered her hands guiding mine. And maybe that's the point. Food doesn't just feed us, it connects us. So make this for someone you love. Serve it slow. Tell a story while you do. Because one day, this might be the recipe they remember you by.